Amazon Posts is an incredible Amazon merchandising tool to showcase your products and capture the attention of potential Amazon customers. In this video, I will explain what Amazon Posts is, how to use it, and how posts can increase brand visibility and engagement. For brand-registered Amazon sellers, Amazon Posts offers increased brand visibility on the platform, allowing you to stand out against intense competition. For Amazon, incorporating Amazon Posts has led to an improved customer experience by offering customers more visual and engaging content. Amazon Posts can boost sales by encouraging customers to explore brands' curated feed. This lets customers discover new brands and products, learn more about products, increasing their satisfaction and loyalty. Amazon sellers face limited brand exposure and struggle to differentiate themselves if they don't use Amazon Posts. Without posts, customers may miss out on discovering exciting new brands and products, limiting their shopping experience on Amazon. This video will what Amazon Posts are, how to create them, post metrics, and best practices. Amazon Posts is a visual feature introduced by Amazon that allows brands to showcase their products and engage with customers through curated images. It is a free tool that helps brand-registered sellers increase brand awareness and customer engagement. Use social media-style image-based browsing experience to encourage shoppers to interact with your products and brands on Amazon. Through posts, shoppers can find inspiring content that highlights your brand story and values, demonstrates product use, and drives product discovery. This is a great way to drive more traffic for free to your listing, which can increase sales. The purpose of Amazon Posts is to create excitement and interest in your brand and products. Providing high-quality, engaging content is the best way for your posts to stand out. Amazon automatically places them on detail pages and feeds based on relevance and customer engagement. The better your posts are, the more likely they are to have a better engagement. This increases the chance of your post ending up on the product detail page of a competitor. Overall, Amazon Posts provide a visually immersive and interactive experience for both sellers and customers, fostering brand discovery, engagement, and ultimately driving conversions. Before you create a post, you need an active brand registry tied to your Seller Central account to create a post. Follow these steps to check if you are enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry. You may need to connect your Seller Central account to a brand registry account. If you are not yet registered, review the requirements to enroll your brand in Amazon Brand Registry. To create a post, go to the Amazon Ads console. You can find posts under the shield heart icon on the left-hand column, called Brand Content. Select this, then select Posts. Find your brand and select Get Started. Here's how to create a post. Select Create Post in the console. Upload your image. Write your caption. Amazon recommends keeping it short, memorable, and focused on the product or collection being promoted. Link up to 5 products by searching for their product name or ASIN, or pasting their ASIN in the Enter List Products box. To publish, you can select a date and time for your post to display. This allows you to draft them ahead of time. Select Schedule Posts and input a day and time you want a post to go live. We recommend 2-3 posts a week depending on the variety of products and categories your products are in. Submit for review. The draft will post on the scheduled day once approved by Amazon. Review Amazon's complete posts content guidelines and acceptance policies before creating your posts. Below, we will outline the necessary image and content guidelines for Amazon Posts. Posts images should be appealing and represent your products or brand in context or a lifestyle setting. Images must be of high resolution and quality and aesthetically pleasing. We recommend using a high-quality lifestyle image that shows your products in relatable and realistic settings. Note, all posts images go through moderation review. To help get your post published quickly, follow our recommendations and best practices. Some recommendations are: pick an engaging image that showcases your products in a realistic setting or against an attractive background, such as lifestyle images and product in-use images. Also, do not include images with individual brand logo or a combination of logos. Posting on Amazon Posts is easy to do. But the challenge and reward is using the tool effectively to generate the most views, clicks, and purchases. We wrote about Amazon Post's best practices back in 2021, but have learned a lot setting up Amazon Posts campaigns for clients. Some best practices for Amazon Posts include choosing impactful images, crafting, creating, and engaging captions, and adjusting for holidays and seasonal events. We will outline the best practices below so you can be sure you are getting the most out of Amazon Posts. Use high-quality visuals. When creating an Amazon post, be sure to use high-resolution images that effectively showcase your products. Clear, well-lit visuals can capture attention and leave a lasting impression on customers. Focus on lifestyle images. Product photos with all-white backgrounds are great for your listing page, not so much for Amazon Posts. Choose engaging photos that show your product being used or in a typical environment, even with other product offerings when possible. Utilize engaging captions. Craft compelling and concise captions that complement your product images. Use the caption to highlight key product features and explain use cases, benefits, or unique selling points to grab customers' attention and entice them to learn more. Maintain consistent branding. Integrate Amazon Posts with your overall marketing strategy. You can pull content from other socials to use on Amazon Posts. Align your posts to match any sales or product-specific campaigns you are running. If you are highlighting a specific product this month, make sure to share that on Amazon Posts. Adjust for seasonality. Sharing Amazon Posts with captions related to upcoming holidays or shopping events is a great way to utilize them. Meet customers in the moment with this strategy and get them excited to purchase. Optimize for mobile. Keep in mind that many customers browse Amazon through mobile devices. Ensure that your Amazon Posts are optimized for mobile viewing, with visually appealing layouts that are easy to navigate and understand. These best practices will help you create impactful Amazon Posts that effectively showcase your brand, engage customers, and drive conversions on the platform. Amazon Posts are a crucial tool for Amazon brands and manufacturers to showcase their products, increase brand visibility, and engage with customers on the Amazon platform. For sellers, Amazon Posts offer a competitive edge by providing increased brand exposure and capturing the attention of potential customers. However, neglecting Amazon Posts can result in limited brand exposure and missed opportunities for differentiation. Without engaging visuals, sellers may struggle to capture customer interest, resulting in lower conversion rates. To maximize the benefits of Amazon Posts, it is crucial to follow the best practices mentioned in this post. For personalized guidance and execution in optimizing your Amazon Post strategy and maximizing brand visibility, please reach out to Go Consulting. Contact us through the link below to take your brand to the next level on Amazon.